Today we're going to be taking some questions on chemistry. For number one there, we see number one question. How many molecules are in 1 mole of water? You just have 6.023 times 10 power 23. That is the number of molecules in 1 mole of water. Number two, how many atoms are in 1 mole of silver? You also have 6.023 times 10 power 23. All these are what we call Avogadro's constant. That is the value. Avogadro's law states that equal volume of all gases at STP contains the same number of molecules. So that is for that. Now let's go to number 3 questions. Number 3 says, how many molecules are there in 4 moles of glucose? To solve number 3, you can say 1 mole of glucose. Glucose is C6H12O6. 1 mole of glucose contains, that is your Avogadro's particle 6.02 times 10 power 23. It contains this. So 3 dots. So therefore 4 moles of glucose contains, we don't know, so we use X. So by means of cross multiplying, you have X times 1. So here you have S is equal to, that will be 4 times 6.02 times 10 power 23. I want us to look at the way I solved it. So that is going to give us 2.41 times 10 power 24. I guess so. So let's look at it. This will give us 2.41 times 10 power 24 molecule of glucose. Now let's solve the fourth one now. Number 4. How many atoms are there in 4 grams of carbon? Remember that number of moles is equals to mass over molar mass. So number of moles is equals to mass 4 over molar mass of carbon. They give you as 12, you should know, 12. 4 here 1, 4 here 3, that is 1 over 3, which is 0.333 mole of carbon. So the same method, so you can spread it out. 1 mole of carbon, is it carbon? Yeah, 1 mole of carbon contains 6.02 times 10 power 23. Then you put your 3 dots. So therefore 0.3 mole of carbon, 0.3 mole of carbon contains X, cross multiply. So that will give us 2.01 times 10 power 2.0 multiplied to that is 2.01 times 10 power 23. So let's look at the questions all together. Let's look at the questions all together and make sure we understand it individually. Thank you.